In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Civil 3D ribbon back. If your Civil 3D ribbon has disappeared, don't worry, it's a common hiccup and usually quick to fix. The ribbon is the strip of tabs and panels across the top of your screen with tools like Home, Insert, and Analyze. When it's turned off or hidden, it can feel like half your toolbox is missing, so let's bring it back in the simplest way possible. Start by clicking into the command line area near the bottom of your Civil 3D window. This is where you can type commands directly. Type the word ribbon, then press enter. Give it a moment. In most cases, the ribbon will pop right back into view and you'll be good to go. If it reappears, try clicking a few tabs to make sure everything is responsive, then continue your work as normal. If the ribbon doesn't come back after running that command, we'll verify its status in the interface settings. Again, click into the command line and type CUI, then press enter. This opens the Customize User Interface window, which controls how your workspace looks and behaves. It may take a second to load, especially on larger configurations. Inside the Customize User Interface window, look for the section that lists your customization items, typically shown as a tree on the left. You're looking for the ribbon entry associated with your current workspace. The exact layout can vary, but the goal is to confirm that the ribbon is enabled for the workspace you're using. If you see a checkbox or an entry indicating ribbon, make sure it's turned on or included in the workspace contents. You don't need to rearrange tabs or panels. The key is ensuring the ribbon itself is active. Once you've confirmed that, click OK to apply your changes and close the window. Civil 3D should refresh and display the ribbon at the top of the screen. If it appears, you're set. Try switching tabs or running a simple command to confirm the interface is behaving as expected. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your ribbon comes back but looks different, that's often due to the current workspace. That's normal and doesn't affect functionality. Also, occasionally the interface can lag for a moment after changes, so give it a second before trying again. And that's it. By using the ribbon command, and, if needed, checking the ribbon setting in the Customize User Interface, you can quickly restore the Civil 3D ribbon and get right back to work.